Here's a short video on how you can upload documents to the Expert Pro client portal using a PIN. When your broker sends you a document request directly, you will receive a PIN to upload your documents if you do not have existing client portal credentials. You will only have existing client portal credentials if you have started or completed an online application with your broker through the Expert Pro client portal. When you receive a request to upload documents from your broker, you will receive an email with a PIN and a link to upload documents. You must click on the Upload Documents button, and you will be redirected to this page. Here, you must enter the PIN enclosed within the email. Once you enter the value, you will have to click on Verify. You will then be prompted to update your PIN for security purposes. Here, you must choose a new 4-digit PIN, which you can use for future document requests. It is important for you to remember this PIN. Once you enter your new PIN and click on Save, you will be redirected to the page where you can upload your documents. When you click on the document type, you will see an option to upload your documents. When you click on Upload, you must select the document from your desktop and click on Open. That's how you can upload documents using the client portal on Expert Pro.